Hi and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back once again to Technology Information channel. Today in this video, we are going to explain the complete wiring diagram of the Caterpillar DVR. The full form of DVR is Digital Voltage Regulator. Okay, as you can see on your screen, this is the picture of the DVR. Okay, DVR has have a display section and also the TV inputs and output and a communication port with the laptop or PC, have a software inside. Okay, let's explain a little bit the overview of the DVR. This is the view of the DVR. As you can see, we have a display, we have also the navigation key purpose is to up and down, left and right the parameters. Okay, and also we have 3 TB for the input and output terminals, and also have a J1 port to communicate with the laptop or PC to check the software, and also weekend software for the different type of the generator, this DVR. Okay, this is the complete overview of the DVR. So let's move forward to explain the complete wiring diagram and input and output connection of the DVR. So let's get started. This is the complete block wiring diagram of the DVR. Okay, so let me explain this complete in a detail and read the wiring diagram together. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, we understand about that this DVR need input supply to turning on. Okay, for the wake up. Okay, to wake up and coming alive. Okay, need input supply, DC supply, as you can see here, B positive and B negative. This two terminal. This is the input of the DVR power supply. Power supply should be between 18 to 32 volt DC. Okay, first of all, we need to give the input supply to the this DVR. Okay, after that, as you can see, the pin 20, pin 22, pin 24, this is the input from the main alternator stator. As you can see here, gen 24 wire is connected with the T2. Okay, as you can see with the T2. Okay, and also the gen 20 wire is connected with the T3, and gen 22 wire is connected with the T1. Okay, if we follow these three wire, this is the input from the main alternator. Okay, this is the three terminal are explained. Okay, let's move forward. The pin 26 and pin 28. Okay, pin 26 is going, and here we have a PM fuse. PM fuse means permanent magnet generator wire. This is going to the permanent magnet generator. Okay, to wire number 11. Okay, and pin 28 also is going to the permanent magnet generator wire number 12. Okay, and also the pin 30 is going to the permanent magnet generator 13. Okay, all are have fuses must, and these line. Okay, after that, the F1 and F2, this is the exciter input. Okay, as you can see here, the L1 here is, as you can see, the L1 is our exciter. Okay, F1 and F2, this two wire negative and positive is going to the DVR F1 and F2 input. Okay, understand? After that, move to up. Okay, as you can see here, we have only two wire connected in the system, wire number 5 and 6. If we follow this wire, where it's going, as you can see here, we have one resistor inside these two wires. Okay, 8 ohm for 1A CT. Okay, CT means the current transformer. Okay, if we follow this, as you can see here, this current transformer is installed in a T2 terminals. Okay, our alternator have three terminals, L T T1, T2, T3, three phases. Okay, this is also installed in a one phase. Okay, the wire mentioned with the 5 gen and 6 gen. Okay, this two wire is going to the DVR input pin number 5 and pin number 6. Okay, this is the complete wiring explanation of the DVR. Okay, if you have further any question, please write comment below comment section. I will provide it the PDF file of the wiring diagram explanation of this DVR. Thanks for watching. See you all next time. Goodbye.